Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup routine, my everyday makeup routine. And if you like this kind of video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social, Anik Rosie for my Instagram, and comment if you want to. I will be listed down below my products, all the products that I'm going to be using, and throughout the video I'm going to talk about certain products. So let's get started. Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Also, I want to say that I am so glad to be doing makeup tutorial. You know, I love makeup, to be redoing makeup tutorial. And if you have any suggestion from makeup beauty, please let me know down below and enjoy. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow. You know, I like to do my brows and my lashes first. Like, I cannot do a full face, everyday face without my lashes. I am addicted. You can tell, you can tell, you can tell. Everything, like every day, I'm just I cannot wear my full face without lashes. Period. And those lashes are from Aliexpress. You can find this pretty much everywhere. It's like a pair of lashes is like $1 or $2. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
You know, after I set my face, or with my highlights, my translucent powder, my Laura Mercier, and all that, I like to set really my face with a face powder. And this powder, I have this for ages. This is the black opal powder. I think it's all over the face powder, something like that. So I'm not too sure. So that's the two powder that I like to use, and I like also to emphasize my contour because I like my face to be snatched.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any question, please comment down below. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Instagram, NYX. I do post a lot. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Take care, ladies.